Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to cover the setup of our tool, something unique you never ever seen before. Many people know W pattern and M pattern, but all W pattern and M pattern will be a failure. I will not say all pattern. 50% it will be a failure and 50% it will be success. Okay, how to improvise this pattern? This is the world's simplest format and simplest pattern. So I am going to explain you how we will be trading these setups. Okay, so first what we will be seeing is whether gap is there or not. For example, 505, here you can see there is no gap, but here you can see the gap. Can you see? So this gap is nothing but an imbalance gap. In normal chart you will not see this imbalance chart. Okay, so this gap is filled with green candle. Okay, once the gap has happened, imbalance happened, this candle is filled with the green candle, this gap. So above this candle I want to be a buyer. Okay, so my risk is only this height, my reward is more than that. Okay, this is how we need to trade the WM pattern effectively. Okay, our entry will be almost near to this. I mean, there is a staircase. Can you see the staircase? So always our entry will be above this, near the staircase, and this is nothing but I am placing a moving average. This staircase is nothing but it is ATR based staircase, so that we will be having a perfect trend kind of thing. For example, I want to tell you that if we are able to see a huge trend, actually this is not a huge trend, if we are able to see some kind of huge trend, we can able to predict exact turning point. We can able to judge the ATR based trend reversal zone. Okay, so this is our something every algo is using, so that it will be very easy for normal people to get through this concept. Coming back to the trade signal, so this is how we will be trading. This was a trade executed and we have to book our profit with the near resistance. We can able to book our profit. Okay, only main thing is our risk should be always small and reward should be always large. That's it. This is the only thing we will be taking this signal. If suppose we are not able to exit, if you are not exiting in the trade, not an issue, just to keep the cost stop loss and exit at the cost. Because why? Because we are entering a trade at the perfect entry. We are giving some kind of perfection in this scalping. Next, so this is the setup which was came. Next setup I will be explaining you. This is the chart with the timing of around 10 o'clock, not 10 o'clock, it's around 9:50 something. Okay, 9:15. What happened is, so all as you know that this rally can be easily captured. Now what is happening is we have to see whether another gap is there or not. For example, we can see here we are having a gap. Am I right? Here also we are having a gap. This gap is filled with this hammer candle. Okay, this is something tricky. This I will not suggest you to trade a catch when something is huge in momentum. Okay, why? Because this kind of trade will give risk reward will be 1:1. Okay, but in this case your risk reward will be more in the trend reversal turning point. For example, this is a gap. This gap is filled with this red candle. Can you see here? So below this candle we need to take a put option trade. Our risk is just this and our reward. Can you see this? Is it clear? So this is how we will be trading this setup very effectively. Okay, this is an introduction video. I'll be adding this video in all videos, in upcoming videos. Okay, so that you will be getting more clarity if I am posting a video without voice. We need to see the gap and we are going to enter in kind of W formation. Simple, very very simple. Okay, I'll show you. This is the bottom. Here you can see the gap. This gap is filled with this green candle. This is our risk, this is our reward. This was happened at 10:30. So like this we can able to trade very effectively in this market. Just a simple pattern, W pattern, but all W's will not work. So that's why we are using this imbalance concept, so that we will be able to get a less risk, high reward trade. 10:48. What is happening? Let's see. Here one gap is there. Here one gap. Here one gap. This is one of my favorite setup. This is island reversal. Many know island reversal pattern, but in imbalance concept, this island reversal pattern will be very much effective. Turning point 10 reversal can be done easily. What is the thing is, here we am having a gap, here I am having a gap, here I am having that small island, candle. Once price is trading here, I will be going for put option. Why? Because I can see this island. If there is no island, I will not doing this kind of thing. If there is an island, I can trade this opportunity as a trading opportunity. Okay, this is a island reversal pattern. Next, coming to this, here there is a gap, nothing is there. Here this gap is filled with this red candle, so my risk is this, my reward. Simple. Okay, this was happened at 11 o'clock. Fine. Okay, let's move to the next chart. I'm showing today entire result, step by step, how to do. If I can able to show you thousands of example, then it will be more easy for you. So that is the thing I want to spend time on this also. Next, this was around 11:30. Okay, this was around 11:30. First, is it very easy format? Here I can see the huge gap. Can you see the gap? This gap exactly filled with green candle. Above this I want to be a buyer. This is my risk, this is my reward. This was around 11:30. You can check the chart if you want. Next, once market has moved up, I want to see the gap. Here I can able to see the gap, but the gap is not yet filled. Price has not came down. Here the gap is there. This gap is filled with a red candle, so I can short here with the risk of very small risk, and my reward is this much. This is almost 1:2. Okay, simple setup. Next, I'll delete this. Next, I'm going for the next image. Okay, today around 1:20, I think 1:20. Yeah, fine. 1:20. What is the thing?
5:15.
Whether we are getting trade. Here I am seeing a gap. This is somewhat huge risk. Here is also I can take a trade. Whenever there is a less risk setup, I will be try to trade. Always I will be buying in the bottom. I will not chase. That is the format. This is my risk. This is my reward. This is the gap. This is the candle, red candle. So this is my risk. This is my reward. Okay. Like this, I can able to trade regularly, because market will not be trending always. 30% of the time market will be in trending, 70% of the time market will be in trading mode. Many people don't know how to trade, because you will not see this kind of imbalance. Like just like that, if you are trading a W pattern, this pattern will be successful 50% of the time, and 50% of the time this pattern will not work. But in our case, we can able to trade this pattern very effectively using this imbalance concept. Next, I will be showing you another example. This is around 153. Okay, here I am seeing a gap. This gap is filled with this candle, but above this price not traded. If it is traded, then I might be making a loss. Okay, I will not say you will not get a loss. You will get a loss, but loss will be minimum. Okay, in this case, price is not broken here, so our trade is not executed. Simple. Once again, here we can able to see the gap. Okay, this gap is filled with this green candle. So what is my format is, this is my risk and this is my reward. Okay, this is somewhat a risky trade because I'm trying to chase. As I told, if we are chasing a trade, our risk reward will be less. Okay, now I'll show you another example around 220. If you see here, easily you can see here there is a gap. Okay, this gap is filled with this candle broken. This is our risk, this is my reward around 220. Okay, here you can see the gap. Can you see here? This is my risk, above this candle my reward. Okay, I'm actually showing the entire market in a picture format because I want to give you a clarity on this. Now what happened? Fine, this is around 3 o'clock, 2:50. Okay, here actually this is a beautiful pattern. You can see here I am having a, here there was a no trade zone. Here I am getting a huge gap down with the candle, a bullish candle. If you see, this candle closed here and this was a gap down, huge gap filled with this. Above this I can able to buy. This is my risk and this is my reward. Here you can see the gap. Here this is the fantastic, as I told now, this is island reversal. Today happened at 14:53. Okay, this is introduction video. I'm telling today. That means today date is 17 November. Okay, because I want to make this video as a introduction part and followed by a daily signal. Okay, so that the people should not get any confusion on that. So that is the thing. So this is my island reversal pattern. Once island reversal pattern is come, as you know, this is a W island reversal. Since I am having island reversal pattern, I know that price will be trending, so I can take a risk based on this island reversal pattern. Okay, so
520.
this is how I will be trading effectively with use of this. If you want, if since this is gap, if you want, you can also take this risk with this reward. Simple. Okay, this was happened around 2:53. Okay, next I want to show you. Yes, this was around, around 3:15. Can you see here? Highland reversal entry. This is what island reversal entry. This kind of things will have, we should be trading on the resistance type of thing. For example, this is something, a mean reversion was happened. This island reversal is almost near our resistance zone. One thing I want to share you for all everybody, because what is the thing is, whenever there is a huge trend, okay, just note this point. From this staircase, for example, right here, From this to this 25 points always. Once VIX, India VIX is greater than 30, then some changes is there. So unless if it is not crossing 30, the formula is very simple. Above the staircase, 25 point is the zone, 25 point zone. Unless this 25 point zone is breached, trend will not reverse, trend will follow. Is it clear? For example, it is a sell trend. Unless this 25 points price, unless comes here, market will be in sell mode whenever there is a huge trend. This is a format and formula for our chart. Okay, friends, hope you are very much clear about these signals. Now you can refer my old videos, previous videos, and upcoming videos also. I will be posting. I cannot daily, I cannot speak this pattern came. I'll post signal came and I'll show some arrow. I'll indicate with the arrow. So that work will be less for me. If I am speaking regularly, then it's taking some half an hour for me to make this video. So instead of that, I'll be posting the signals so that you will be getting more clarity. If any doubt, kindly WhatsApp to my number. My WhatsApp number I have attached in this video. Kindly refer. Thank you, friends. If you have any doubt, kindly call me. Thank you.